Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we're continuing our Dodger Dog adventure with some cool history and tips on how to get the most out of this LA staple at the ballpark. The cultural significance of the Dodger Dog. The Dodger Dog isn't just a hot dog, it's a shared language for LA sports fans. It ties together generations of Dodgers supporters, linking childhood memories, game day rituals, and even pop culture moments. No other ballpark snack carries this much weight in a city's identity. Fan stories and traditions. For fans, biting into a Dodger Dog isn't just lunch, it's nostalgia. Ask anyone who grew up going to games, and they'll tell you their first one tasted like pure magic. Family traditions. Season ticket holder Maria Gonzalez remembers her dad buying her a Dodger Dog at every game. He'd say, "No hot dog until the third inning, so I'd cheer extra loud to make time fly." Rivalry fuel. Some fans joke that the real LA baseball divide isn't Dodgers versus Angels, it's grilled versus steamed Dodger Dog purists. "My brother still won't talk to me after I ordered a steamed one last season," laughs lifelong fan Jake Torres. Milestone meals. Engagements, birthdays, even post-game breakups, fans tie Dodger Dogs to life moments. One couple even catered their wedding with them. "If it's good enough for Vin Scully, it's good enough for my vows," the groom told ESPN. It's not just about the taste. It's about who you shared it with, what game you watched while eating it, and how it feels like home in a crowded stadium. The Dodger Dog in pop culture. Hollywood loves an underdog story, and the Dodger Dog has had its close-ups. From movies to music, it's popped up as shorthand for LA pride. Film and TV. It got a cameo in Fast and Furious when Dom Toretto chomps one mid-race prep. Brooklyn Nine-Nine's Boyle calls the only reason to leave New York. Even The Simpsons took a jab when Homer called it the footlong that shrunk in the wash. Music. Local bands like Ozomatli name drop it in lyrics, and DJs at Dodgers Stadium mix sound bites of Vin Scully saying Dodger Dog into hype tracks. Celebrity fans. Kobe Bryant once joked he'd trade a championship ring for a lifetime supply. Guillermo from Jimmy Kimmel Live does annual stadium skits where he guards the Dodger Dog carts from rival fans. Off the field, the Dodger Dog shows up at city festivals, school fundraisers, and even charity events. Food trucks sling mini versions during playoffs, and local breweries pair it with Dodger Blue-themed beers. It's not just stadium food anymore, it's a full-blown LA icon. How to make a Dodger Dog at home. Craving that iconic Dodger Stadium flavor but not near the ballpark? With the right ingredients and techniques, you can recreate the magic in your own kitchen. Whether you're grilling or steaming, these steps will get you as close as possible to the real deal. Essential ingredients and tools. You don't need a stadium-sized kitchen to pull this off, but a few key items help nail the authentic taste. Ingredients. All beef hot dogs, 10-inch, natural casing. Look for brands like Farmer John or Hebrew National for that classic snap. Soft, fresh hot dog buns, toasted slightly to prevent sogginess. Yellow mustard, the traditional choice, though spicy brown works too. White onions, diced small for that sharp, crunchy bite. Relish, optional. Sweet or dill, depending on your preference. Tools. Grill or grill pan, for that smoky char. A cast iron skillet works in a pinch. Steamer basket, if you prefer the softer, steamed version. Tongs, to flip the dogs without piercing them. Keeps the juices inside. Brush or spoon, for applying mustard evenly. No natural casing franks available. A high-quality all-beef dog without fillers is the next best thing. For a slightly lighter option, chicken or turkey dogs can sub in, but expect a milder flavor. Cooking tips from the pros. Stadium chefs and longtime fans agree. The secret lies in how you cook it. Here's how to get it right. Grilling, the classic method. Preheat your grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. You want those grill marks, not burnt skin. Grill the hot dog for 4 to 5 minutes, rolling occasionally for even charring. Don't poke holes, let the casing keep the juices locked in. Toast the bun lightly on the grill for about 30 seconds. It should be warm but still flexible. Steaming, the quicker alternative. Bring an inch of water to a simmer in a pot fitted with a steamer basket. Steam the hot dog for 6 to 7 minutes, covered. This pumps it up without drying it out. Wrap the bun in a damp paper towel and microwave for 10 seconds if you miss the toasty texture. Pro tips. Don't overcrowd the grill or steamer, give each dog space to cook evenly. Serve immediately. A Dodger dog tastes best piping hot, with toppings added right before eating. For extra stadium vibes, wrap the finished dog in foil for a minute to let flavors meld. Whether you go grilled or steamed, the key is simplicity. Pile on the mustard and onions, take that first satisfying bite, and pretend you're hearing the crowd roar in the background. The Dodger dog is more than a hot dog. It's a bite of LA's history, a staple of game day culture, and a symbol of what makes the Dodgers fanbase unique. From its smoky grill marks to the debates over toppings, it's a food tied to memories, rivalries, and even Hollywood cameos. Whether you grab one at the stadium or try making it at home, it's an experience worth tasting. No visit to LA is complete without it, and no baseball season feels right until you've had that first bite. So next time you're in town, skip the fancy cuisine. Line up for a Dodger dog, you'll understand the hype by the last bite. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.